Hodlers, and welcome back to this new episode. Let's dive into the latest updates into the crypto world. In fact, we have seen Bitcoin pumping in the latest days and then dumping back on the same price levels. Therefore, we will see together Bitcoin price movements, the hottest trends in 2024, and much more. We have got a packed agenda to help you stay informed and ahead of the curve. Let's kick things off with Bitcoin. Over the past week, and we have to check the price on the trading view integration that we have on the YouHodler platform. And during the past week, we have seen some interesting movements in the chart. In fact, we can see that the price has been approaching the 108k to then retrace back on the 90k level. Here we have a strong support that we have identified several times. Therefore, there is one touch, two touches, three, four, five, six touches that have happened over the time. And we can see that this level of resistance is very support, sorry, it's very strong. As resistance level, we can identify two major resistance level. The first one is around 100k, where we have seen this pump, a fake breakout, and therefore a retrace back on the same price levels. The second resistance that we have is around the 102k, where we have seen the price rejecting several times, one, two, three, and four. Therefore, let's keep in mind this full range, and the latest support that we have it's around 88 and $86,000. We will see this better later on this video. Let's now dive into the breaking news. The first of all, we can see that there is some major movement happening in the market, and this is also due to the stablecoin spotlight on Tether USDT. In fact, due to MiCA regulation in Europe that are affecting the compliance of USDT and its usage, many exchanges have decided to delist USDT from their platform. Therefore, we can see that USDT experienced a drop in its market cap over 1 almost 2% in a single day. We'll explore more the implication of this regulation in further videos, but this is something that is shaking strong the market. Also, there have been strong ETF gold sell-off for the fourth consecutive years. In fact, gold investors have been selling the ETFs of gold at record levels. As you can see, over the last 4 years, there's been strong demand in selling. Therefore, not many buyers in the market are approaching the gold ETF, rather Bitcoin ETFs. But most importantly, we have to check the crypto narratives for 2024, and we can see the top performing crypto categories have been AI tokens with almost 3000% profit in the full narrative, and meme coins that have been pumping more than 2000%. AI related tokens have dominated the market, and we know many interesting projects. But also other narratives, for example, the orange one is the real world asset, layer ones, DePIN, DeFi, gaming, and layer twos. So therefore, always keep an eye on the new narratives that are popping up in the market. To have also love together to see how complicated the crypto market is. Also, Elon Musk is tweeting regarding it and showing how difficult it is for the system to track all these advancement in technology. The government cannot keep up with the technological developments. In fact, he tells Hello, Ira. So a client bought 7K of worth of Camrocket and then staked it for 3 months to earn 6,000% interest. Then he bought NFTs and blah 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 blah. So as you can understand here, the idea behind this that all this technological advancement is going so fast that for the legislation it's difficult to follow. All this is happening in the market, but Bitcoin is not losing its global ranking. In fact, he's still seventh in the total asset by market cap globally. So we can see that its market cap is still over 1 trillion, holding a position of number 7 in the list. More Most importantly, we have to check also ETFs and how outflows are going. We can see that there are still net inflows over the day, and that let's stick together the most important ticks. And here we can see that there has been a strong accumulation on these specific ETFs, specifically during bad times. And this shows the interest that companies and specifically these huge corporations have in Bitcoin. But what's for interesting for our traders is that there are strong liquidation levels around the 99k. In fact, we can see here that there are strong liquidation around 97, 99k and 95,800. These will be strong levels that snipers and traders will hunt for it. Therefore, be cautious when trading on the market. Everything can happen. The market can still push down or either have a reversal. Therefore, let's jump on our analysis, and as we can see from the liquidation charts, we have identified together a very interesting level around the 90, let me take the drawing line, the 96k and 98k, if I remember right. We can also help ourselves with a Fibonacci to identify the interesting zones if the market is going to retrace. Many traders have identified the 0.618 as a strong level of reaction for the charts. So many traders do expect this resistance, this support to act as it is. Therefore, the chart should retrace a little to then either dump further, or the chart could actually don't respect our support zone, or the third scenario could be, of course, going back into our price range. Everything can happen in the market. That's because cryptos and Bitcoin have a strong volatility. Therefore, always keep this in mind. Guys, it's been a real pleasure, and I always suggest you to follow our social pages on Twitter, which now is X, on YouTube, on Instagram, and wherever you can find us, because there are strong news and updates that we are sharing every day with crypto market. As always, leave a like, a share, comment what you think, and crypto market. As always,
leave a comment. I'll see you on the next video.